When I used to think about shopping, I would just dread the day that I had to go and do that. There's so many choices out there. Who is going to help me? You walk into those department stores, you can't even find a salesperson. At Jackie Michelle, we're here to help you have fun. Shopping should be a fun experience. We have an educated staff, we know the trends, we want to know how to help you work within your budget and your lifestyle. You want to present your style, but be fashionable. We're here to help you do that. We can get the look that's going to work on you. Say you're shopping for jeans. Oh my God, that's like the worst experience in the world. It takes hours. You get in the dressing room, nothing fits, there's nobody there to come in to help you. That's where we come in. We're there to help you. We narrow down the field for you. There's a lot of jeans out there. When we go shopping, when we buy, we look for the styles that are going to work. I like comfort. Who says you can't be comfortable in a pair of jeans? Whether you're shopping for clothes, for work, or play, or for that most important person, you, come on into Jackie Michelle. We've got a look that's going to work for you.